So it's November 27th. Some of my high school friends are in town, so we're getting breakfast at this spot. It used to be a IHOP, but now it's called Daymaker. Got a nice little mural here. I think I'm a little early. It'll be cool to see the high school mates, or at least some of the crew. The other crew was too lazy to wake up for breakfast.
What's going on?
How are you?
Oh, team.
This one's for you, team.
Yo, appreciate you. Oh, sorry, game.
And then just like,
Do we need a break? Hey, what do we got here?
They call this the chorizo Benny. Are you gonna have a kid named Benny? Yeah, I see you having a kid named Benny.
No.
Benny Cruz.
We do. Good to see you. Yeah, see you in that.
Okay.
Always a pleasure, King.
Better be on the vlog.
Yeah.
Better be on the
I got you.
vlog.
I got you, my boo. Just got to the office because now I have to work. But it was super nice seeing half of the crew. Mark works at Affinity, I think he said. Andrew, who was to cat corner from me, he works at an engineering firm in Houston, and Michael, the one next to me, lives in here in Austin, but he's a big realtor guy, commercial realtor guy. It's cool to see like my friends have like actual good jobs. Gonna head home. I finished doing a couple of my driveways that I had to do for all the projects I'm working on. I just got a box, and I think it's from REI. Because they just had a winter sale and I bought a few things from it. So we shall see if that's what it is. And if not, it will be the rain cover for the jacket, for the backpack I just got. And that's what it is. Damn, this whole box just for this rain cover? It's a little bit excessive, I think, but whatever. Yeah. Rain cover for the backpack I got, because I'm going to go to Peru in January, and it's going to be rainy season, so we shall see how it goes. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want feast, get the animal.